Oyster Rice. These are the ingredients for 4 servings. Chop 8 watercresses. Chop a clove of ginger into thin pieces. Just like this. Add 3 cups of rice, 540 milliliters. Wash the rice in a bowl. Drain the water and add clean water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Add water. Rest for an hour and let the rice absorb water. Oyster for heating, 350 grams. Add salt. Add the oyster in a bowl with water and salt. Rest them for 3 minutes. Wash gently so the oysters don't get bruised. Drain the water and add clean water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Once the oyster is clean, drain. Add Japanese sake, 100 milliliters. In a pot, add oyster and sake. Heat on high heat. Once it starts boiling, remove from the heat. Do not touch the oyster. Strain the broth and remove all sand and dirt. Pour the broth back into the pot and evaporate off the alcohol. Evaporate until the volume decreases to half the initial volume. In an earthenware pot, add rice, the water oyster was cooked in, and Konbu stock. Konbu stock, 550 milliliters. Add some salt. Add light soy sauce as well. On top of the rice, place oyster and thin sliced ginger. Place the lid and heat on high heat. Once it starts steaming vigorously from the air hole, lower to the lowest heat and wait for 15 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. Sprinkle thin sliced watercress on top. Here's oyster rice. Again, here's the ingredients for 4 servings.